Yep. And here's a tape looks like a happy. Yep. And here's a tape looks like of Happy Texas. And the rails are kind of yellow, but hopefully probably the rest of the tape will work fine. And recommend this Call Me to Friends. And was prompt March 27th, 2000. Yes, yep. Oops, love it. Oops. Oops. Yeah. Yeah.
Now available on video and DVD.
Following prayer says your following system must success America.
What the hell are you doing? Drag your pimply butt in here and say hi to the guys. Show some class, for God's sake.
Timothy Dunphy has a broken home,
What are you up to? No.
a three-legged dog, and 2 strikes against him.
You hit a parked cop car.
Now, what's a prep school?
It's to prepare you for not getting your neck broke by me.
He's out of place,
No smoking, no drinking, no drugs.
outclassed,
Mr. Dunphy, who launched the New Deal? NASA?
and seriously outnumbered.
You got a better chance of being struck by lightning.
It's beautiful. Just what I always wanted.
Yeah, I got it at the dentist.
The Farrelly brothers, the creators of Dumb and Dumber, and There's Something About Mary, take you back to school for music,
It's a horn.
Why don't you play us a few notes?
aerodynamics,
I'm about to throw the stop. Take it out.
and dating.
Making sex is like Chinese dinner. It ain't over until you both get your cookies. So, remember I said that.
Outside Providence.
Following prayer says your following system must success America.
Feel free to lie down. Most people do.
I better not. I'll fall right to sleep. I think it's too soon for me to be sleeping with you.
From the writer-director of The Big Chill
How about you let me explain it my way, okay? Thanks, that'd be great.
comes a romantic comedy that has everyone talking.
You're upset?
How intuitive. That must take years of training right there.
Critics are calling Bumpford hilarious, outlandishly funny, and a delight from beginning to end.
I know what you're after.
What do you mean?
I think you know what I mean.
No, I really don't.
I think you do.
Why don't you tell me?
I smell a rat, I'm telling you.
Skip says you're in love.
Go ahead.
I need to find a man like you. Not one who's treating me, of course.
This spring, an all-star cast lets the feelings fly.
I am under the delusion that I am in love with you.
Bumpford,
You've fallen in love with one of your patients? Doc, it's not me, is it?
now available to rent on video.
Following prayer says your following system must success America.
Hey folks, it's me, Dwayne Hoover, slashing prices because we're going bananas down here for Hawaiian Week. And we're loaded with new cars and trucks. Ask anybody. You can trust Dwayne Hoover.
Breakfast of champions, Mr. Hoover.
Hey everybody, Dwayne Hoover, the man you can trust.
Dwayne Hoover is the best employer in town.
Dwayne, it's Dwayne Hoover. Dwayne Hoover.
People know who you are, don't they?
I'm so confused.
Dwayne Hoover, am I losing you?
Is this what I'm here for?
From the best best-selling novel by Kurt Vonnegut Jr. Bruce Willis, Albert Finney, Nick Nolte, Barbara Hershey, Glenn Headley, Lucas Haas, Omar Epps.
You don't have to be crazy at work here, but sure helps.
What the hell ain't meant by that, huh?
In an Alan Rudolph film, Breakfast of Champions.
Living, buzzing, intense, combustible, biography, high quality photography. It's all about voices, wonderful illustrators, crazy glamour, literary content, intimacy, revelation, and a new way of looking at the world.
Now available on CD and cassette.
The Chicago Daily Herald calls the Happy Texas soundtrack a knockout. And Entertainment Weekly says it's full of terrific country, roots rock, and honky-tonk tunes. Featuring an eclectic mix of songs from Emmylou Harris, Randy Scruggs with Joan Osborne, Leroy Parnell with Keb Mo, Pam Tillis, Alison Krauss, and more. Happy Texas, the Grammy-nominated soundtrack from Arista Records. Available now in cool record stores everywhere.
And now, our feature presentation.
This is some modified churchill versions performed at your TV.